Welcome friends, welcome to our channel Scholars. Today we'll discuss about values and data type for class 9. This video is for class 9 students on chapter values and data type. This is a part 1 video. So first of all we have to learn what is character set. Character set is a set of alphabets, letters and some special characters that are valid in Java language. So you can say that any human language has nouns, pronouns, grammatical, then alphabets, symbols to specify where the certain sentence ends. So these are all the character sets. So each and every character in Java is called basic lexical element. Now the character consists of alphabets, digits, and special characters. So alphabets in English words, we can say that the uppercase stands for all the capital letters from A to Z, and the lowercase letters, or we can also say that small letters ranges from small a to small z, and the digits are 0 to 9. Basically 0 to 9 and all the other digits or all the other numbers are basically combinations of the digits. And the special characters are basically the symbols which is specify, that is plus, minus, parenthesis, opening, closing parenthesis, then curly braces, opening and closing curly braces, square brackets, backslash, pipe operator, greater than, less than, semicolon, and all the other available special characters available in our keyboard. Then we're going to talk about the character encoding. So character encoding is the way to interpret raw zeros and one, so that how alphabet should be treated by a computer, because a computer doesn't understand what is a capital A or what is small b, because they don't understand the difference. But the computer engineers or the scientists devised a method that small a stands for 65. So basically, if small a stands for capital A stands for 65, then there are 26 alphabets in our English language. So you can say that the capital Z value will be what? Since 26 letters including A, so A is 65. So for Z, that has to be 25. So 65 plus 25 equals to 90. So after 25 places, we get the alphabet Z. Similarly, so if you are in question told that find out the value of C, capital C, so what? Capital C is 65, 66, 67. So 67 is the value of C. So this is a character encoding. So there are two broad character encoding available. One is ASCII. There is another one is Unicode. So next is types of ASCII. So there are the three types of ASCIIs: non-printable systems, lowercase and higher ASCIIs. So non-printable are the values ranging from 0 to 31 that can't be printed on our displays, and from 32 to 127 ranges all the symbols, small a to small z, capital A to capital Z. All these ranges from lower ASCII to higher ASCII, and higher ASCII is 120 to 255. So we can basically all the extended letters, suppose the Greek alphabets. Okay, this kind of character encoding are treated in the higher ASCIIs. So on the picture you are seeing that a chart showing all the character encoding of equivalent ASCII codes. So small a is 97. So if you want to find the value of small z, we have to add 25. So 97 plus 25 is 122. Okay, and on the right side you are seeing that small capital Z is 65. So for if you are told to find out the value of J, so J is what? 10 letters ahead. So since A is already taken one value, so you have to add 9. So J is 74. Then Unicode. So at some point of time, the ASCII values was exhausted. Then came the Unicode. So Unicode is a 2-byte character representation, which is specifically shown by a hexadecimal number. Now, almost all the human languages available throughout the entire world, Urdu, Arabic, then Japanese, Arabic, then any kind of languages. Those languages has different kind of alphabets. So those alphabets are represented using the Unicode. So Unicode has long character sets. So Unicode adds an additional character sets of 65,280 distinct coded characters. So you can say that we have a lot of spaces. Now nowadays the Unicode characters has updated to very newer standards like 32-bit encoding, 64-bit encoding. So this encoding This encoding was done to store a lot of symbols. So you can see that in the slide down below that it is represented by /u slash backslash u stands for Unicode representation, followed by the 4-digit hexadecimal code. So 2 byte stands for 2 to the power of 2, so 4. So 4 digits. So 00BD stands for half, 00A stands for copyright symbol, and 00U and /0 /U0041 stands for capital A. Then comes escape sequences. So escape sequences are symbols in Java programming languages or any other programming languages to show that there is a tab or there is a new return type. So basically, if you want to enter a new line without typing a new code for that, so for Java, we write system.out.println. We are not going to use this thing repeatedly. Without using this, we can use a new line using the /n line. So in the right side, you are seeing that there are a lot of escape sequences given below. That /t inserts a tab. So tab is basically if you press the space key 4 times, then a tab is inserted. Then /b stands for backspace. /n stands for your new line. /r inserts a carriage return. Carriage return means that it is just emulating a return. If you press if you are writing a big paragraph and you just insert your pointer there and press enter, what you will see that the new line will get into next line. So basically, it is emulating that. Then comes your /f, that is form feed, and the things which are below we will learn and we will use them for commenting purposes. So basic uses of escape sequence, you are seeing that we have written a basic Java programming syntax that system.out.println hello world /n/t to Java programming. So what does it mean? /n, it just brings that to Java programming in the new line, and followed by /t, it just enters 4 spaces. Then comes Java tokens. We have already learned Java tokens in the class 8. We are going to study again. Java tokens are every symbol, spaces, brackets, alphabets are all Java tokens. These Java tokens are the smallest units of a Java program, which are interpreted and understood by the Java compiler, so that they have the proper way of interpreting what the programmer has written. So if they have any misrepresentation of these tokens, the Java program can find out the error and give out that where the error is found. So basically, in Java programming, there are 5 types of tokens: reserved keywords, identifiers, literals, operators, and separators. Then are reserved keywords. Reserved keywords are basically the words which you cannot use for naming a variable, for naming an identifier, for naming a class. These words are specially reserved words for special purposes because they have their individual each function defined in the Java package. So this is the end of this part of the video series. For the next upcoming parts on the video series, subscribe to our channel, and if you have any kind of queries, write down in the comment box.